Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip to kind of put you back in a frame of mind of the beginner class that was done at the Kenn Centre on June the 28th. We did an arm jive, a man spin, a push spin and an octopus. Links in the description below if you need a more detailed teach, because this is just designed to kind of remind you how everything went together. So it's all about the joins and the order. So the whole thing looked like this. Starting with the arm jive, left to right, went 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the man spin, we went through, caught left, return for the push spin, we came in, spin, catch. 2 hands for the octopus, did guys in front first because of the direction of what had been done directly before. So we did 4 passes and then we were done. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the little windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.